Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to make following private on X. So if you want to control who can follow you on X, then you have to make your account private. So first of all, let's open X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. In this menu, you have to scroll down until you reach Settings and Privacy. And as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section Privacy and Safety, and from here go to Audience and Tagging. And finally, at the very top of your page, of your screen, you should see this option that is called Protect Your Posts. This is the feature that is responsible for making your account private, and let's enable this function. So from the moment that you turn this feature on, that you make your account private, only your current followers are able to see your posts, and in the search results your post will not appear. And basically how to manage your followers. There is a dedicated page from where you can manage your followers. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and here in this menu you have different sections. You want to tap on follower requests, and from here you can accept your new followers or you can decline them. So this way your following is private on X, and you have to do that manually. You have to approve your followers or decline them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.